Welcome to Rapid Bay on a really quite stormy morning. I've got to keep an eye on you so you don't flip off because we're quite high up here. I hope you can hear me over this awful wind. But let's just see what we can get together here. With the wind being so high, I'm not sure I can get my recorder on safely, but I'll give it a go. And if it acts like a wind sail, I'll have to take it off and explain my shots. But this is quite a difficult morning. Let's make sure everything is screwed in tightly. Oh wow, I can see you wobbling about a little bit. Oh. Okay, let's see if we can throw ourselves into shutter priority as normal. I'm going to come down and attempt to focus on our jetty, and I'm just going to make sure that we've got some breathing room at the end. Oh wow, I'm just going to have to go for this, wind or no wind. So let's very quickly throw our remote shutter on. Oh dear, fingers are numb. It is very cold. Very cold. Right, okay. I will need to now do my 6400 trick because I've no idea whether it's going to be 4 minutes or 8 minutes. I'm hoping 4. So let's come down to 4 seconds, 6400. It may even be 2. 1, 2. Let's give that a go. Whoops, that's 2.5. 2 seconds. Whoa. Let me check that. See if that's well exposed or not. Yes. There's a slight bit of blowing in the sky, so okay, so if we go to ISO 100, I'm actually going to go to ISO 50 and bring it up to 2 minutes. If it went the right way, that was 2 minutes. Oh dear. 2 minutes. I'm gonna pray that the wind won't affect this so much, but you can see we're in a gale. I'm hoping everything's heavy enough. Oh, cold hands. There's rain coming in. There's rain coming in. It's a complete and utter mess. This is a wonderful spot, and I'm just hoping that with this storm coming and going that we can actually get the shot. so what I'm going to do, I'm actually going to drop the tripod a little bit, make it a little bit more stable. Actually, what I'm going to do, I am going to I'm going to take a very big chance. I'm going to pop on. I hope, actually I should check. I don't even know if I've got my reverse grad with me. I very seldom use it. I don't think I have, to be honest. Oh, I have. Right, okay, things. Oh, let's see if we can get this in. Oh, there we go. That reverse grad going in. See it really darkening that sky. Okay. Oh. Let's try 50 seconds. Woo! What a morning. What a morning. What a sensational sea. Oh, wow. I'm not sure we're going to get this with the additional grad on the front, but wow. You can see the grad sitting there, but just look at that sea. Wow. So with that soft grad, well, the reverse grad on the front, it's acting as an additional wheel to sail, so I'm not sure it's going to work, but we'll give it one go and then we'll see from there. How amazing is that? Right, I'm going to be stupid now and I'm going to try and do a pano. So really stupid in this sort of weather, but I want to see. Now I'm going to have to make sure that we're completely level. So I'm going to be foolhardy. I've leveled everything. I'm going to try for a 4-image panorama. Oh! Trying the impossible. But why not? There's a very famous photographer from Victoria. His name's Ian Smithson. And he once said that pixels are free, so while you're here, take as many shots as you can. And he's not wrong when it comes to digital anyway. And I think once you've bought your camera, that is, because buying the camera certainly isn't free, but once you've got it, use it as hard as you can. Oh, what a beautiful morning. All this for one shot. I knew it was stormy weather. I wanted to get this shot, but I really didn't think it was going to be this bad. There we go. I came here this morning because the forecast showed that it was going to be clear to the east with some high cloud to the west. So I was hoping the sun would rise and we would catch the colour this side as a reverse sunrise. That worked out. That part of the forecast was correct, but someone didn't give us the memo that said that we were going to be extreme gales. Oh, is that rain? That's rain. That's rain. The nemesis occurs, but you know, this one I'm going to have to take off this reverse grad now. So it's not going to work on those mountains, it will just darken them. But I am going to throw on a soft grad. Pull back some of that sky. There we go. 25 seconds. Let's make sure we focus, eh? Go. I'll put you actually this side, so that way if the wind catches you, you should in theory fall towards me. So only 25 seconds, but it's all dependent upon that rain, because I want the sun to come up and I want it to cast golden light, which it is doing, casting golden light on the jetty itself. So that's lovely. You notice there's no Raffy with me. That's mainly because I'm up on a, as you can see, I'm up here high on a cliff. But sometimes I leave him in the car and we go for a walk afterwards. But the South Australian coastline is quite dangerous for dogs. There's an algal bloom that's been here for about 4 months, and it's not got any better, it's got worse, and it's now started to kill a lot of the wildlife. So there's dolphins and there's all sorts of fish all being washed up shore dead. So it's really very, very sad. So I don't think Raffy will be on the beach with me for a little while, because it's been making dogs very ill as well. So yeah, it's very, very sad, but hopefully something will be done. The environmentalists will be looking at it, so fingers crossed they can sort that out, or I don't know what they can do because it's out there somewhere, but hopefully it can be sorted and things will go back to normal, because South Australia is beautiful. It's got some beautiful marine animals, and yeah, it's just a shame. Well, thanks for joining me here at Rapid Bay. I've really wanted to get this jetty in these conditions for so long. Never thought I don't even know if I've nailed them all. They look, one or two look okay in the back of the camera, but never really know until I get home. So hopefully we've seen this video together, and it's now out. But yeah, so what a morning. It's definitely blown the cobwebs away. I have got the remains of a cold. I'm not sure if you can hear it. I'm a bit nasal. But I think this has done me a world of good. It certainly woke me up. So I think, listen, all it leaves me to say is please look after yourself, look after your loved ones, and until next time, our next adventure, see ya.